Mentah Kasngi Ukishur C.H. Gotham, Secretary General ka High Court Jongka Meghalaya Bar Association, Bat Uba T.L. Jerwa, Secretary Shillong Bar Association, Kilapan Pau ba hadu mentah Kim Pat Yo ya kajubab, nah Menteri Rangba ka Jala Meghalaya, Konrad K. Sangma, Halor ka Jingdawa ban weng no yo Amit Kumar, kum Advocate General ka Jala Meghalaya. Kitai kinong yalam Jongki Artli Kiseng, Jongki Mukhtiar, Habakren ha Shillong Press Club, Kilayat hu ba hooj. Kila pha ya kajing tho sha Menteri Rangba ka Jala kaba kila dawa ban weng no yau Amit Kumar kum Advocate General ka Jala Meghalaya ya kaba kim pat yo ya kajing tho hadu menta kajing dawa jong kaseng kalong halor kan nongrim ba kila don kajing keren ba penbong ya ki Mukhtiar kim kwa ban keren ai hendrei namar ba kila mi pat hakilat pathai kubor kum ta kimla shu ban chusngam bat menta ki kwa ban pensyai bat kajing aipor kalakun kumta kindang don biang kajing ya kendu haka arf sau terik nailar bakin shim ya karai.
Issue number one is with regard to the kind of reckless statement which have made, because there we feel that being someone from outside, you don't think about our sentiment. Just to save your own skin when the state is being pressured by the court with questions, uncomfortable questions as to why there was an inaction by the state agencies. So it is so easy to cast such type of qualifying statement. We the bar feels because you are not one of us. So that sentiment of the bar was really hurt when this matter was discussed in the general body meeting. So that's why it was there as the point number one in the representation. And the point number two in the representation was with regard to his misusing the office. Because why in the discussion again, this is all, there is nothing personal, nothing vindictive from our side. It is all a collective decision where the members came in together collectively, shared their experience, and there in the house, we came to know that there are a lot of appointments, past and present, and very recent. Very recently, just in the month of July, there's another appointment where he appointed one of his junior from Delhi to be a special prosecutor here in Meghalaya. So we are questioning that. Point number two is questioning how Mr. Amit Kumar is using the office of an Advocate General, being the office of the highest officer in the state, not for the benefit of our people. We have a lot of young lawyers, efficient lawyers, seniors, who are capable enough. Why we have to bring in from outside? So the bar collectively we feel that we have lost the confidence in Shri Amit Kumar to be in the position of the highest officer in the state from the legal fraternity, and that's why we have made the demand now. The ultimate demand is now to remove him because we have lost the confidence. So representation has been filed, but we have not received any formal complaint from this chamber last Friday. So now we are going again to have another general body meeting because we few people from the office office bearer of our respective association cannot decide. This is an issue affecting the whole bar as a whole.